Hello, and today we're going to look at how the Qualified Business Income Deduction Analysis Worksheet can help you in planning for your clients' business activities in their tax plan. Here we have an example client. They have W-2 wages and 2 Schedule Cs. If we scroll down to QBID deduction, we have $22,894. Now the question might come up, well, what is that number made up of? Well, now you can go to the Strategies tab, go to the Analysis Worksheets, and you'll see a QBID analysis for each activity. If you launch it, you'll find the component aspect of the QBI, the phase-in reduction, and then the sum total of the QBID or the QBI deduction for all activities, $22,894. Now, if you happen to qualify these activities under Reg Section 1.199A-4, where you can aggregate the activities, you can also do that and see how that plays out for your activities. What you'll do is you'll open up whichever business entity it happens to be. Here we're talking about Schedule Cs. Go down and find the deduction for QBI. Scroll and find the aggregate business number. And you're going to put in a group number. So we're going to group these as group number 1. Go to the second Schedule C. And the same, group number 1. Now returning to the Strategies tab in the Analysis Worksheets, you'll notice now there is only one because they've been aggregated together. And you can also see that this aggregation has led to a greater QBID. Now you must follow the rules under 1.199A4, but that's how you do the analysis and planning with the QBID analysis worksheet. What if you added a strategy? Let's go ahead and add a strategy for 179, and we'll put a depreciable basis of $50,000. Let's return and look at our analysis worksheets. And you'll notice QBID has changed again because of that planning. You can also see all of this downstream on the review plan. Scrolling down, here's our qualified business income deduction. Check back in for more videos on how to use ITA in your planning.